So my biggest thing right now is this material, it's like a plastic. It's peeling. See that? I think I can save it with some glue and I'll have cracks on it. I don't want to take it out. If I take it out, it's going to be chrome. And there's no way I can put something on here to replace this. Look at that. Yeah, someone already glued this. That's what this is. Yes, there was glue all over the top of it. I think I'm going to have to peel this. What do you think, guys? Should I just make new scales for it? That's an idea, right? Yeah, I can do that. It might have to be that. I would like to keep the fish, but I don't not sure if I can save it. This is a fishing edition, so yeah, I'd like to keep the fish. Alright, I'm going to see. Let me see. Well, let me see. If I save this, it's still going to look like crap. Because of the cracks. This side's pretty decent. You know what? I'm going to have to do this. Too late. Maybe I can find a material that I can cover that with. I see how they have it. I don't know. Should I do that? Or should I put new scales? Or should I leave it chrome? It's going to be a chromed out folder. Decisions. See that? Yeah, I don't like those little knobs either. Oh, okay. It poked through. Okay. Let's see this side. If it peels. Oh, yeah. So it was already ripped. Yeah. That was a good decision. Taking this out. It was already peeling on this side as well. So. Alright. Let me go ahead and take these off. And then I'm going to make a decision whether I'm going to make new scales or not. We'll see. Just going to make some new scales. Let me make sure I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. I don't know what I should put on here. Maybe a wood. Yeah. You know what? That'd be fitting for this. But it's got to be treated. I'm going to try to save the fish. So let's see what happens. Let that sit overnight. And we'll go from there. Trying to save that fish. So, shout out to the fish. Cleaned her up as much as I could on day one. We'll see tomorrow what I decide for a handle. This thing sucks. I gotta get rid of this and get a different one. Never get a Black & Decker power bandsaw. Junk.